G'day guys, it's been ages since I've done a vlog, just been super busy. So yeah, I haven't had much car stuff, just with having another daughter come along, family of 4 now, it's kept me real busy. So now there's another vlog, means there is some car stuff to do. I've had heaps going on. Poor cars, been sitting here. I think in one of my last videos, the back end got damaged. I also had some slight damage on the front end. So the front's been painted, the back's been all fixed, the quarter's fixed. It's really good. And then poor me, with not much storage, use it to hold scooters and paddle boards and whatnot, but nothing's heavy, it's all very light. And I put some pillows and that down to protect it. And then last week's journey, I went and picked up a journey. So we got ourselves a new caravan, bigger than before. That's exciting. But in today's video, we'll get started. Oh yeah, and by saying that I went on a journey to pick the journey up, that was a 4,000 kilometre round trip. I actually picked that up from Townsville. I live on the south coast of New South Wales, so driving to Townsville into the north of Queensland was quite a challenge, but the old Navara did it. Alright, that's better. Nothing on the roof. Got it all off. So yeah, onto the parts. It's to do with this area. I am changing this seat. Finally got around to buying a bucket seat. I've always wanted one. When I've done wet pans and some basic drift days in the past, I move around too much in the seat. It's a little Japanese seat, the stock seat, and get some cramps sometimes trying to hold myself in the seat. So really wanted one. Took me ages to save up for it and justify the purchase. That's why I haven't had vlogs for a while. So I've never changed a seat in a car. I think I've pulled a couple out before and put them back in, but I never changed one. So this is going to be interesting. So time to undo it. And then to secure it all in, I needed a bracket, seat rails. I got this made up custom. I'm really happy with this. This was really cheap. A guy in Brisbane did it for me. So I grabbed it on my way past Brisbane last week. It's got the thing for the seat belt. He's test fitted in a Mark II JZX already. Not sure of his company business name, if anyone else is interested, but it's hard to tell on here. He's got like an EE star engraved. I'm guessing it's easy or something engineering. I didn't ask him, but if anyone else wants details on where to get this made, hit me up and I'll send him your details. This is the seat. So I'm pretty happy with the quality of it. It's from Velo Seats, which is in Australia, so they're made here. They're quite affordable. I got this one upgraded with some extra things, like FIA approved, but it's also ADR approved for the road. Should be nice and tight. Pretty straightforward. Undo these, and I can do some clips for the motors because this is an electric seat. Very tight, which is good for a seat, but I should have it out in a couple of minutes. And like that, in 2 minutes, the seat's out. So yeah, 4 bolts and a plug. So it's just one plug for all the electrics, easy. I'll tuck that away. Floor is putrid. I'll pull the mats out. I'm going to give it a vacuum. Give it all the clean. Might as well do that now. Well, it's vacuumed. It's better. Losing my little attachment for the vacuum, which gets in all the nooks and crannies. It's gone walkabout. So that, and plus now the vacuum's flat because the battery on it's had it. So that's all I'm doing. That'll do. Time to see how this fits. Bracket fits in great. Oh, sorry if you notice what that is. It's a kiddie's pool. Again, storage. Fits in great. So I just had to put a bit of weight on this back corner just to flex it a little bit, just to get the last bolt in, but it's in. Not quite tight yet in case I have to take it back out, but enough to see how the seat will mount. I'm going to loosen these off, get the seat to sit in between it, and see how we go doing it up. Now I just got to work out what to do with this, because as you could tell, start of the video, I have no storage. Now I've got a seat to store, and it's going to be a nightmare to put it in the roof. So I don't know where that's going. And like that, it's in. It's a bit of fiddling around and a bit awkward, but there's a lot more room around the seat than the old one, and you can get to the bolts easy. So I just put the base in, as you saw. I just adjusted the width on the side brackets to suit the seat, so I just adjusted them, sat the seat in, and then put the 4 bolts in around the side. I guessed my tilt and height. It bottoms out pretty early, so I didn't have heaps of adjustment, but I just pretty much tilted it back as far as it could go, and it's about where I would drive, so it's pretty comfortable. So that's it with the seat. Looks good through the front window, just seeing that velo symbol. I wasn't sure if I should get it in red or not. I was going to go for like a grey, but I've got the red wood grain in the car and I've got red highlights everywhere, so why not let it stand out? It looks good. Happy with that. So yeah, if you're doing something similar, I highly recommend Velo. They were really good to deal with and prompt, and got it to me very quick. It's all approved stickers and the quality of it. Like, I've seen only a couple bucket seats in my lifetime, but it seemed pretty good compared to the ones I've sat in. This is like the standard size seat. Pretty snug in it. It grips my hips really well. Pretty centered. Yeah, it feels good. Happy with that. I'll take it for a drive now, but I might do that later tonight. Get this pool out and yeah, just go see what it feels like around the street. Really happy. And the reason I didn't want to go for a wider seat, just to give my hips a bit more room, was I was worried about the clearance here. It's really close, but it just misses. I've got adjustment in the rails quite a bit actually, so if I did get the bigger seat, I could shift the seat over and clear that. There's plenty of room. I didn't realise how much there was.